Metal. Hello and good day, kids. How we doing? So now we're going to go ahead and unbox this new Carrera Porsche that Track Girl bought for me when we were at the hobby shop the other day. So I'm really excited about this. Let's move on over here and we'll take her on out. All right, kids, let's open this bad boy up. So as I mentioned during the ramble, I was at the hobby shop picking up this paint to do the Mustang with, and we were just walking through, and they actually had quite a few Carrera cars in there and a lot of good slot car stuff. So I did a little short video on that, and that was pretty cool. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to it up here. Anyway, it's just a short, so it's not anything really special. But they had a lot of stuff, and if you can, shop local, because that's really cool. So, they had this car there, and it didn't actually come in a box. I had one, but you can't really unbox it if you don't have it in a box. So, you know what I mean? So, oh, I can't let you see it that easily, can I? All right, so there's the back. All right, you ready? Here we go. Look at this bad boy. And so this was the price. When you think about shipping and all that, that's a really good price to get locally and just walk in and pick up. So let's go ahead and get this sucker out of the box. We'll get a closer look at it here. My magnetized screwdriver likes to grab onto things. There's a joke there somewhere. I cannot believe the detail on this car. We'll get it down on the turntable here in a second, but the amount of advertisers on the liveries is insane. I can't wait to get on the track and see these blue headlights with the X's. I even like the red wheels, and I'm not big on red. Look at all the detail back there. It's amazing. And, I have the Golf version of this. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and get this off here, and we'll get it down to the turntable. All right, we're back. So just check out the detail on this car. It is just brilliant. You can see the brake calipers through there and the discs. And there's so many different liveries. Herr Anton, maybe that's the driver, I doubt it. M. Essman, there's your driver right there. This is a German car, German driver. Porsches are German, of course. But there's so much detail in this. Everything. There's a little Carrera one down there too. That's cool. And there's Michelin's on the front and the back. Beautiful rear end exhaust. I'm worried about my fin right off the bat, my wing. Although the other one, I haven't lost it yet. That's the one I removed the magnet on. I might take the magnet out of this so we can do IROX, but this is cool. This will be one that Track Girl can use. I'll use the Golf one. It's really nice of her to buy this, so I kind of figured that, this is hers to race. But just a beautiful, beautiful car, and we're going to go over to the track here in a second. We can check out these X'd out eyes, so to speak, for these blue eyes here. So let's go to the track and check it out on the track real quick. Oh yeah, before we do, I always like to show the bottom of the car. Pretty standard stuff. So we'll have to check that if we keep the magnet in. So we'll probably pull it though. I don't remember if my other one had this indented, so to speak, embossed guide area. That's really cool. Keep you from fishing out too much. Very neat. All right, let's go check this bad boy out on the track. All right, here we are on the track. It just looks beautiful from behind. Those taillights are just beautiful. For the night races, those will really, really be cool. And that's what them other drivers are going to have to see, right? Yeah, it looks really good on the track. And those blue X'd out headlights are friggin' gorgeous, aren't they? Let's check that out. That is really, really, really cool. So we're going to do the full gamut test on this car. We'll test it out of the box, and then we'll tune it and, you know, change all the parts out one at a time and test it each time and progressively see how it gets better. So look for that video in the future. Thanks for watching this unboxing, everybody. If you're new here, please smash that subscribe button. We truly appreciate it. Doesn't cost anything and helps the channel. If you'd like, please leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on, metal.